Already share with you the press release about the collaboration between Anthropic and Databricks. However, I wanted to go a little bit further and just show you in action how you can use the latest model uh, in our platform. So within the Databricks platform, there's this place called Playground, where you can play around with a bunch of endpoints that are already provided via Databricks. You can have a bunch of them and test them side by sides. For example, we're interested in Claude 3.7 Sonnet. I'll use this point and let's compare it with the Metalemma. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna make sure that I'm giving them the same type of input, and so they're synced basically, and I will go side by side. So can you write a Python function that extracts all string columns? Let's add plus the ID column from a Spark data frame, creates a new data frame from them, then joins it with deem df on the ID column. Anyway, it's just a way to develop code fast and just like make sure that you can test all of your LLMs in one single place. We don't have to go into the details of what it generates. It's just I'm trying to show you what we can do. Additionally, you can add different tools if you have some type of hosted functions that you have them defined. You can also interact with it. So maybe you have a function that queries one of the tables in your Unity catalog. You can add them in here, play around with it, add different type of requests, follow up with further questions. It's just a playground to play with your LLM applications. Besides that, you can actually query the Claude 3.7 or any other LLM directly from SQL. Just to showcase, I'm going to go into catalog here. Within my schema, I have a table called bank reviews. Obviously, it has some nice metadata associated, some description. It's data from Kaggle, from one of those silly data sets, but it has a column where a bunch of customers wrote some reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into SQL editor, and I already have queried this table. So this is what I have. What I'm going to do now is instead I'm going to modify the SQL query and tell it to keep the author, and I have a separate function that is called AI query, which well, it auto-completed, which was nice, but I don't have to do that. Let's close it. We're gonna save it as this particular one is customer concerns. So the idea is, hey, look into this review column and extract the customer concerns when possible. So specified the model within the AI query function, gave it the instruction. I'm going to tell it exactly where to look. It's going to be in the review column, and create a new column that's called customer concerns. And let's do the exact same thing. I already have the nice query here. Also looks at the same customer, the review table. I'm noticing that in some of them we have customer mentioning how many times they've been with the bank. So let's just extract the customer tenure, how long they've been with the bank. So I'm gonna run it. It's gonna do its thinking. It's gonna go column by column. It's gonna generate the answer. It's gonna read those two nice extra columns that we have specified. Tick tock, tick tock. There we go. And it gave you that answer. So basically, that's another way of interacting with the AI models that are provided by default endpoints. Obviously, they're serving. We talked about it in the last time, but I wanted to bring you up to speed and show you a little bit of how you can do this directly in our platform and interact with these new LLMs that are coming out. Thank you.